Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Psycho Talk. So today's topic is all about the stethoscope. So let me tell you the parts of stethoscope and how to use it. So first, the portion which I'm showing now is the bell of the stethoscope. Okay, and this big rounded portion is known as the diaphragm. The diaphragm is used to hear the high pitch sound, and the bell portion is used to hear the low pitch sound. And this is the tubing of the stethoscope, and this portion is stem. Now the entire portion is known as headset, and this is the tube, or else you can say ear tube. Okay, and these two portions are known as the ear pieces. Okay, before using the stethoscope, always remember one thing: you have to tap on the diaphragm and have to confirm that the sound is clear. Okay, always unlock the diaphragm before using it. How to unlock? Just rotate the diaphragm and tap on the diaphragm. Like I'm tapping on the diaphragm, I can't hear the sound properly, then I'm rotating it and again tapping on the diaphragm and I can hear the sound properly. There are different types of stethoscope and with different types of diaphragm. This is the another one type. So this is the diaphragm. I'm tapping on the diaphragm and I can hear the sound because the lock system is now pointing downwards. If it is pointing downwards, that means the diaphragm is unlocked. I can hear the sound properly. Just look, I am facing it downwards. I can hear the sound from the diaphragm. Then I am pointing it upwards and tapping on the bell. Yes, now I can hear the sound of the bell but can't hear the sound of the diaphragm. So you have to remember one thing: if the lock is facing downwards, then you can hear the sound of the diaphragm. When you are going to wear the stethoscope, remember one thing: the earpieces should be pointing forward. Again, I am repeating it: the earpieces should be pointing forward or outwards from your body. This is the right way to wear a stethoscope properly. The earpieces should be pointing forward. This is the right way to wear a stethoscope properly. Okay. Then just hold the diaphragm and tap on the diaphragm so that you can hear the sound properly. This is the right way. Then hold the bell portion between your index and middle finger and place it. This is the entire way to use a stethoscope properly. Hope this video will help you. If you like the video, just like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.